go, Noddy. Rev's is all clean and shiny again. Happy face!
Thanks, Fuse.
Brick-a-build station!
What are you all doing in the trailer?
And we're the replacement tractor trailer service.
Yeah, train can't go yet. We've got to mend the railway signs first.
I can help with the repairs. I am very good at mending things.
You were fine, thanks. We've got our special tools, see? Hooray!
Sad face.
It's only for a little bit, though. We got work to do back on the farm tomorrow. Let's go! All aboard!
Wait for me! Thanks. Give me a wave, everyone.
Let's go!
Thanks, Bumpy.
Toy Green Station!
Oh, I thought the builders were meant to finish mending the railway signs yesterday.
Yay!
Why are you still giving rides, Farmer Tom?
Some of the builders' special tools have gone missing. They can't repair the signs now. And Tractor and me really need to get back to work on the farm.
Don't worry, we'll help. I need to investigate. Who has taken the builder's tools? Time to open a new case. Investigate. Who? What? When? Where? Why? How?
Let's investigate now!
Let's call this the case of the delayed repairs.
All aboard!
How are you going to solve this one, Noddy?
Fuse offered to help mend the railway signs yesterday. Maybe he knows something.
No, Noddy. The builders did not need my help. I have not been near the railway. I was working on a navigation device.
Oh,
When I put this on Tractor, we will see where he is on this map.
is this a map of the railway?
Correct. I'm observing how the repairs are going. Another delay to the repairs. Sad face.
Maybe if I go there, I'll find more clues. Can I download your map onto this?
Certainly, Noddy.
Thanks. Brick-a-build station, here we come.
All aboard!
Hi, builders. Hi, Driver Dylan. I saw there's been another delay.
Yes, another again.
What's happened?
I don't know, Noddy. When we got back from our break, our special tools were gone.
We've had tools go missing all over Toyland.
And I can't drive. Oh, yes, train. We can't drive. I don't know what's going on. We can't fix the railway signs without them.
Did you see anyone?
No, not a sausage.
What is it, Bumpy? A flower? I've seen a flower like this somewhere before. Look, Pat-Pat's basket had flowers on it. If she was here, perhaps she saw something. Let's go and talk to her.
Oh, thanks, Noddy.
No problem, Farmer Tom.
Hi, Noddy. Yay!
You're right, Bumpy. Cloppycorn really loves riding on Tractor's trailer. I found this flower at one of the places where the builder's tools went missing. And it's like the one on your basket.
Oh, yes, you're right. It is.
And the train repairs have stopped because the tools have gone missing. So, do you know anything about it? It's okay, you can tell me.
Tell you what, I haven't been anywhere near the train. I was here, making a picture for Deltoid.
Oh,
That basket was a present for Bling. I gave it to Cloppycorn to give to her.
we'd better talk to them. Perhaps they know something.
A present?
Go!
Hey! No! From Pat Pat? I never got a present, did I, Hoof?
No, nor did I. If anyone's asking, which they're not.
Go!
Hey!
Are you sure?
Oh,
Well, I think I'd remember. Because no one ever gives us presents.
yeah. Well, apart from on our birthdays.
OK, we get presents on our birthdays. But apart from that...
And Toyland Festival Day.
apart from that, though...
And Unicorn Day.
Oh, yeah, so cool. So, yeah, all right, we get quite a lot of presents. Go!
Hey!
So Cloppycorn didn't give it to you?
But I'd still remember a basket from Pat Pat, wouldn't I? Hey!
Where is he now?
Dunno.
Hey!
I won! Again!
Oh,
When did you last see him?
ages ago.
I saw him in the trailer at Animal Acres. And at Brick-a-Build. And at Toy Green.
Trailer? What's he doing riding in that thing? We gallop anywhere we need to go.
Yeah, like true naughty corns. Race ya!
We need to talk to Cloppycorn. Come on! Oh, you're right, Bumpy. If he's on the trailer, he could be anywhere in Toyland now. How am I going to find him? Oh, this investigation's really hard. You're right. Biggies always says a good investigator thinks and thinks again. Oh! Of course! Fuse puts his navigation device on Tractor. We can use the map he gave me. Yes! Tractor's moving towards Brick-a-Build. If we hurry, we can catch Cloppycorn there.
Brick-a-Build Station! All change! You too, Cloppycorn.
Oh.
Come on, you've been riding around all day.
Oh, but I really want one more ride on the trailer.
Come on, Cloppycorn.
Please.
There they are. There's Cloppycorn, and he doesn't want to get off. He's still got the basket. Why does he want to keep hold of it? Ring-a-ding! Now I know who took the builder's tools and why.
You do?
Oh, you do?
It was you, wasn't it?
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
I think you were having so much fun on the trailer rides that you hid the builder's tools in the basket. Is that right, Cloppycorn?
Yes. It was me. I just didn't want the rides to stop. Here. I'm sorry, everyone.
Never mind. Now we've got the tools back, we'll have everything fixed in no time.
Oh, that's great news. Thanks, Noddy.
And we can go back to the farm really soon.
Oh, but I really want one more ride on the trailer, please.
Well, maybe there is a way.
Oh, that's lovely, Tractor. Steady as you go.
Yay! This is great! Thanks, Noddy! Yay!
Next stop, sheep.
Hooray!
Well done, Noddy. You solved the investigation. How did you do it?
Thanks! The builders couldn't fix the railway signs because their tools kept on going missing. I worked out that Kloppycorn had hidden them because he was enjoying the trailer ride so much. The case of the delayed repairs is closed. So, there's just one thing to do. We've solved all the clues. Hey!